Here, I guess I'll give a little update video what we got going on right now. Well, I thought I had my seat tracks. Got one, this works out perfectly fine. Everything's cool, good to go. The other one, let me get some backstory on this. I had it sent to my old address by mistake, being in a rush, ordering it, not looking at the fields that are getting filled when I just let it fill in automatically. So I get the seat track, and the handles broke. So I'm in the process of sending that back, which kind of just ruined my whole day because I had to go. This is what happened. I told UPS to hold it once I realized that it was going to the wrong address. Now, when I called UPS, I said, hold my package. Now, it was partially my fault, but it's partially the chick fault that I talked to, because it said 1 of 2 and 2 of 2. So I'm thinking she's going to hold both, which I should have spoke up and said something, but she didn't. So they held one. I was able to grab that, boom. But they wouldn't let me get it, the other one, because they said the truck was already packed, it was full, and they couldn't get to it. So she was like, we can either hold it, you could wait till the end of the day, come back, get it, whatever. I'm like, nah, because driver get back at like 9 o'clock, I'll be at work. So I called the complex where I used to live, went on a little stakeout with my daughter. I get my seat track, open up the box, boom, seat track broke. That just ruined my day. Let me see also what I got going is, I'm gonna add these right here. Hold on, let me turn it around. I'm gonna add these right here, cause here you go. So don't nobody gotta ask me. There's a part number right there. All right, but I'm gonna add these because when I got my exhaust done, when I came back home and finally started the car, oh man, there's like 3 exhaust leaks on them damn headers. And then I got this, so I'm gonna let this sit out, get some of these wrinkles out, hopefully get some sun. I can sit it outside because right now it's doom and gloom out here. But yeah, since I can't do what I want to do, my hope for this weekend is to get these seat tracks mounted in the car, because what I have to do is I got to cut this off right here, and then I got to weld it out here on the edge so it'll mount to the G-body location. And if I'm not mistaken, I want to say these seat tracks, they sit a little bit lower than what a G-body would. So the seat's actually going to be a little bit lower, which is a benefit to me because I'm not short. Because I'm a firm believer that these cars was made for everybody about 5'10" and below. So it is what it is. But yeah, got new carpet. Yeah, we're going to stick with the burgundy. Wow, that's crazy. It looked lighter on the camera than what it does me looking at it. But yeah, got the burgundy carpet. That's going to go in. I'll cut this up. Oh, if anybody could tell me, well, I asked him, but I forgot the damn information about how far do I got to cut in here initially so I can clear the damn, the shifter. Because I'm not taking that shifter out to put this damn carpet in. I can probably feel for all the other holes, or maybe, you know what? I might get on the G-body forum and see if somebody has information on where all these fucking cuts go. Because, man, I got to cut out the 4 seat mounts, the console mount, and the shifter holes. So, ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. But, yeah, I'll have more to this video. Hopefully, if I can get that seat track taken care of, because I don't know how to weld. If I can get that seat track taken care of and add it to our list, this will all just be one video. So, this will just be me recording this. It's Friday today. Hopefully I can get it cut, welded up, put on here, and get the seat in the car. We good to go.
If you record too long, you won't be able to record.
if I record too long, I won't be able to record.
Yes, Steve. If you look at the number,
First of all,
a minute left.
okay, I'm failing you as your daddy. You need to learn how to ride a bike. First of all, hey, stop. Take your hands off. Take your hands off. Matter of fact, just get up. You can't even ride a bike like this. Well, you can, but you're not. You ain't to that skill level yet. Look, take your hands off. Stand up. Back up. That's how your handlebar's supposed to be. Oh, terrible. Anyways, seeing if I can catch some sun. I got a steamer inside, but had to get this because the seat tracks didn't line up, like I said in the previous part. So went and grabbed this little set right here. Yeah, you can hear little miss. Don't want to let my daddy work on his car in the background. But as you can see, we got action. So I'm gonna do this one right here because when you line them up, these line up fine, but the initial seat track that this came off of, it was these here and here. So use this one. Just open it up real quick. We'd be good to go. All right, well, 2 for 2, goddammit. Let me actually focusing on what the hell I need to be looking at. But yeah, good to go. Good to go. All right, so yeah, now we got that all together. We is in action. About to cut these seat tracks. So my homie come weld them up for me, and hopefully get the seat in the car, and then I can work on getting that in the car as well. But that gotta get all the wrinkles out of that. Well, this will be the last part of this video because I couldn't get the homie to come over here and weld these seat tracks. He got stuck at work. I'm talking about Wednesday. Other dude I was gonna have welded, he pretty much ain't want to work on no Sunday. But trying to get these gaskets in here, this bitch is a holder line back up. Got the jack right here on the exhaust to help me out a little bit, but let's see. Let's see where you can see it blew out right there. Starting to right there. Shit, right there too. Shit, damn near along the whole thing. But if you get speed engineering, don't use these bullshit ass gaskets. Just go ahead, spend a little $40 and get this right here.